me tell you why this is extremely important. Queensbridge is the hood of the hood, right? It's the greatest place on earth if you ask me, but the place that's the greatest has the potential to be the worst also. Number one, a cop car killed somebody right here a couple years ago. Cop car speeding, hit somebody, an Asian kid who was here for 2 days visiting his family. He was an exchange student here for 2 days. Crossing the street, the family was right there. Cop car hit him right here. If you Google that incident, you will not find nothing. They act like it didn't happen. But a young man died right on this corner. Right, that's about 4 or 5 years ago. But more recently, a 22-year-old young brother was killed right here. The last murder that happened in Queensbridge, it happened right here at this store. Right, and so this what we're doing is extremely important, especially that we're doing it right here. When the brother, OK, reached out and asked, I said we can only do it at this store. Because this store old. Not only did a young man get killed right here, ain't nobody, police over here, right? This store has not been the best in doing good in the community. They've done a lot of bad stuff, right? And they've been a part of a lot of bad stuff. So to do this, to transform this space, to transform this corner, to make this store accountable for letting us plug in to keep food so that we can feed the community is extremely important. So shout out Sonia, shout out Deanna, shout out Grace, shout out Andrea, shout out the whole No Name group, man. Shout out whole Queens Liberation Project. Shout out everyone who's involved in this, man, who's bringing food, who painted, who just, like, this is my hood, this is my home. And no matter how far I go in life, like, I'm never gonna stop building in Queensbridge. And so thank you guys for helping me build Queensbridge.
All right, with that being said, we got our first